Hello everyone, welcome to LRDIprep. So guys, in this video, in the episode number 6 of last 5 years of CAT paper series, CAT 19 slot 1, I will be discussing all geometry questions. Right? Geometry is one of that section that students generally fear कि CAT exam के लिए geometry का chapter आपको prepare करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. I'm sure after looking at the questions that I'm going to discuss with you from CAT 19 slot 1, this will be the first chapter that you will do for your CAT exam preparation because the level of difficulty is so low for CAT questions that these are the free marks for you if you have done the basics of geometry. Let's have a look at the question, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to LRDIprep for 100% syllabus coverage. Let's have a look at it, guys. Question number 15 of this all CAT 19 slot 1. It says corners are cut off from an equilateral triangle T to produce a regular hexagon H. Then the ratio of the area of H to the area of T. 30-second question, that's it. What the question is saying is, there's an equilateral triangle, right? There's an equilateral triangle T and you're cutting corners from an equilateral triangle to produce an hexagon. So let's say I'm cutting the corners to produce a regular hexagon. Because it's a regular hexagon, can I say all these 6 sides will be equal? Right? This is a hexagon. A, B, C, D, E, F. Because it's a regular hexagon, all these sides will be equal. That means, if I'm saying that this side is A, then this side will also be A, this side will also be A, this side will also be A, this will be A, this will be A. Also, you can see that in an equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. This angle will be 60, this will be 60, and this will also be 60. And in a regular hexagon, the internal angle is 120 degree. This is also a basic thing, basic concept. If this is 120, can I say this will be 60? This will also be 60. That means this will also be an equilateral triangle. Can I say all these sides will also be equal to A? Now that's it. The question is done. Now, what you need to know is that a regular hexagon is made of 6 equilateral triangles. If I take a point at the center and if I join it with all the vertices, of the regular hexagon, I'll get 6 equilateral triangles. That means if I'm taking this side as, this area is 1, let's say this area is 1, this area will also be 1, this area will also be 1, 1, 1, 1. That means the area of H, that is of hexagon, is 6. Now, if I want to find out the area of T, that means of equilateral triangle. Now, see that the complete equilateral triangle is made of this hexagon and these 3 equilateral triangles. This is an equilateral triangle of 3 sides being A. This is also an equilateral triangle of 3 sides being A. So this area will also be 1, this will also be 1, and this will also be 1. The whole equilateral triangle area is 9. Answer is 2:3. That means option B. If you know the basics properly, this is a 30-second question for you in CAT exam. Very easy. And don't forget to look at the next question, guys. This will increase your confidence even more for geometry. AB is the diameter of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Now, draw a circle, right? Let's say this is my circle and the radius is 5. So, can I say the diameter would be equal to 10 centimeter, and because it says AB is a diameter, so let's say AB is a diameter and this, let's say, is the center of the circle and this whole diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. P and Q be the 2 points on the circle so that PB is 6 centimeter. So, take a point P here and it is given that this PB length is 6 centimeter and the length of AP is twice that of AQ. There's another point Q also. Let's take this is a point Q because PQ is a chord. So let's take Q on this side and it says the length of AP is twice that of AQ. Okay, the length of AP is twice that of AQ, right? And we are supposed to find out the length of QB. Now, in an in a circle, you should know that a diameter makes an angle of 90 degree at any point on the circumference of the circle. This diameter AB is equal to 10 centimeter. This is 6, this is 10. So, can I say this will be 8 centimeter? Now, if this is 8 centimeter and because it is given that AP is twice of AQ, so can I say AQ will be 4 centimeter? If this is 4, this whole length is 10. So, can I say QB by using Pythagoras theorem, because this angle is of 90 degree, the length of QB would be 100 minus 16, that means root of 84. Now what is root 84? That is what you are supposed to answer. That's it, and your question is done. Because we are not supposed to find out the exact answer, we are supposed to find out its nearest to. Root of 84, you just need to find out the root of 84, it's 9.1 something. So the answer is C option, that's it. Clear? Such an easy question, guys, right? You see that it's basic concept of circle, that a point on any point on the circumference of the circle makes an angle of 90 degree with a diameter, right? So if I join any point on the circumference of the circle with a diameter, right, that will make an angle of 90 degree. This is 90, this is 90. So all we are doing is we are straight away applying the triplet here, and we are using the Pythagoras theorem here. You can also apply the Pythagoras theorem here then, and then you apply the Pythagoras theorem here, and that's it. The question is done. This is a level of difficulty of CAD geometry question, guys, right? I'm not saying all questions are easy. Some question can be difficult also, but yes, 70 to 80% questions from any chapter will definitely be easy. All you have to do is just do the basics of that chapter, right? Do not leave any chapter for CAT exam, guys, right? You should know the basics of every topic, because if the question is coming easy, if the level of difficulty of the question coming from any chapter is easy, then you should be able to do it, right? Right? So it's must for every candidate to do the basics properly. Look at the next question, you will laugh at the level of difficulty of this question. In a circle of radius 11 centimeter, CD is diameter and AB is a chord of a circle of length 20.5. Again, draw a circle, right? In a circle of radius 11. If radius is 11, so diameter would be 22. CD is a diameter and AB is a chord of length. Okay, so draw a chord CD, right? And it says AB, CD is a diameter, and the length of CD is 22 centimeter. The whole length is 22 centimeter. AB is a chord of length 20.5 centimeter. If AB and CD intersect at point E, so there's another chord AB and the diameter CD intersect at point E. Now this is not the center, keep this in mind. This is not the center, right? It's not mentioned that these are the two chords which are meeting at the center. In that case, AB will also be the diameter. Now AB is not the diameter. Why? Because the length of it is less than the diameter, that is 20.5. So the length of AB is 20.5 centimeter, right? Now question says they are intersecting at point E inside the circle, and CE has a length of 7 centimeter. And the difference of the length of BE and AE in centimeter is what? So guys, this whole length is 22. If this is 7, can I say, if this part is 7, can I say from E to D the length will be 15 centimeter, right? The length from E to D would be 15 centimeter. This is 20, this whole length is 20.5. What I'm supposed to find out is the difference of BE and AE. Now, if I say this length AE, this length BE is A and this length AE is B, let's say. Now, in a circle, I know that if two chords intersect with each other at any point E, which is inside the circle, then A into B will be equal to C into D, that is 7 into 15. That means AB will be 105. And because it is given that A plus B is 20.5, now to answer the question, all you have to do is think of two numbers, the product of which should be 105 and the summation of that should be 20.5. It's so easy to look at the numbers that the summation should be 20.5. Divide A and B in such a way that the summation should be 20.5 and the product should be 105. You can clearly see the numbers are 10 and 10.5. If I multiply 10 with 10.5, I'll get 105. And if I add 10 with 10.5, I'll get 20.5. What I'm supposed to find out is the difference. If a difference is supposed to be find out the difference between these two values is 0.5, and that is C option. C is the correct answer to the question. These are the 3 questions of geometry that were asked in 19th slot 1. There were another question also that were for mensuration part. So you'll see the mensuration question are also easy, which we'll be discussing in the next part of the video. But these 3 questions you can see are straightforward, simple, and anybody who have done the basics of geometry can easily do the question, right? So do not leave the chapter of geometry for your CAT exam preparation. At least do the basics of everything, right? On Plus, you can attend my comprehensive course on geometry where I have discussed more than 1,000 questions exactly relevant to CAT exam, covering the whole geometry syllabus in 20 different chapters. Guys, this is my referral code for Plus subscription. You can watch all of my courses on Plus, and you can also attend my live sessions on Plus. This is the Telegram group. where you'll get the compiled link of all of my free spatial classes. If you guys are not on Plus, then you can also access my geometry course on spatial classes, which I have taken earlier. 35 lectures on geometry are there in the Telegram group. The compiled link of the complete chapter is available in this group. And the link of this Telegram group is in the description part of the video. There's a bumper offer for CAT 2021 is going on. If you go for a subscription for 6 months, you'll get subscription till CAT 2021. And you can use my referral code LRDI Sameer Live to get 10% off. LRDI Sameer Live is my referral code to get 10% off on Plus subscription. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Thanks a lot.